F-22 versus J-20, the stealth showdown. America was waiting for the moment. Chinese military officials thought they had America's most advanced fighter jet figured out. Reality came crashing down like a thunderbolt. Just weeks ago, China released what they called groundbreaking simulation results, showing their J-20 fighter dominating the legendary F-22 Raptor with a staggering 95% win rate. Military forums exploded. Analysts scrambled, and for a brief moment it seemed like the balance of air power in the Pacific had shifted. But here's the catch. Those simulations left out some inconvenient truths. Because when stripped down to a fair one-on-one fight, no drone swarms, no numerical tricks, just pilot versus pilot, the J-20's win rate collapsed to less than 10%. That's not a typo. Less than 10%. And now with the Pentagon's latest assessments freshly declassified, the real numbers tell a very different story, one devastating to China's claims. Despite producing over 250 J-20s compared to America's 187 F-22s, the technological gap remains massive. The F-22's radar cross-section is 10,000 times smaller than the J-20's. To put that in perspective, on enemy radar, the Raptor appears as small as a marble, while the J-20 shows up like a small car. And that's just the beginning. What unfolds goes deeper than radar signatures and missile loadouts. This is about America's quiet dominance in the most critical battlefield of the 21st century, the invisible war of the electromagnetic spectrum, where stealth reigns supreme. Simulations versus reality. Chinese propaganda love the 95% number, but the truth is more sobering. In clean one-on-one scenarios, the F-22 overwhelmed the J-20 over 90% of the time. The Raptor's radar, sensors, and stealth allow it to detect and engage long before the J-20 pilot even knows he's in danger. So how did China inflate its numbers? By adding drone swarms into simulations. With 2 or 3 unmanned aircraft supporting each J-20, they created confusion for defenses and temporarily tilted results. But simulations don't win real wars. And those drones? They may not survive long against American electronic warfare, counter-drone weapons, and loyal wingman drones operating alongside U.S. fighters. America's edge isn't just in the F-22 alone, it's in the entire network of systems that back it up. Radar cross-section, the stealth divide. Stealth is where the difference becomes undeniable. The F-22's radar cross-section measures 0.001 square meters, virtually invisible. By contrast, the J-20 measures around 1 square meter, the size of a dinner plate. That's the difference between unseen and clearly visible. Chinese engineers prioritize range and payload, adding canard wings that improve maneuverability, but act as radar reflectors. Every bounce of an electromagnetic wave lights up the J-20 on enemy screens. Meanwhile, every rivet, angle, and surface on the F-22 was engineered in the 1980s and 1990s to bend radar away. That design philosophy still holds unmatched today. China's stealth strategy. Unable to match American stealth, Chinese planners chose a different path, overwhelmed with numbers. Rather than one perfect aircraft, they banked on coordination between many. Their doctrine suggests mass and confusion could challenge America's quality edge. It's a clever strategy, but one built on assumptions that U.S. technology won't counter it. That's a dangerous gamble because America has spent billions ensuring it can. Problem with swarm tactics. China's swarm-heavy simulations assume drones will survive contact with American defenses. But the Pentagon hasn't been idle. The same spirit that made the Raptor invisible also fueled counter-drone weapons, directed energy systems, jamming tools, and network disruption capabilities. Combine F-22s flying with their own autonomous wingman, electronic warfare superiority, and the most advanced air defense networks in the world. And suddenly China's 95% doesn't look so impressive. Production numbers. More isn't always better. China has already built more J-20s than America has F-22s, rolling out nearly 100 new aircraft each year. On paper, that's concerning, but numbers don't tell the full story. Each F-22 represents decades of refined engineering. Its composite skin is built to absorb radar waves. Its engines are tuned not only for thrust, but for low heat emissions to foil heat-seeking missiles. And every pilot behind the controls has gone through years of unmatched training, the most rigorous in the world. China may field more jets, but without the same depth of experience, training, and integration, quantity cannot replace quality. Engines, power, and reliability. For years, J-20s relied on Russian engines. Only recently did China begin testing its own WS-15 power plants. They promise big performance, but they remain unproven in combat conditions. Reliability is uncertain. By contrast, the F-22's Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines have been perfected over decades. They deliver thrust, supercruise, and most importantly, reliability. In aerial combat, an engine failure isn't just inconvenient, it's often fatal. Here again, America's advantage is decisive. Weapons, stealth versus payload. The J20 can carry more missiles externally, but doing so shatters its stealth profile. Those pylons turn it into a glowing target. The F-22, meanwhile, carries all its missiles internally. 6 AMRAAMs and 2 Sidewinders, enough to handle multiple enemies while staying invisible. Stealth plus firepower beats bulk every time. Communications and battle networks. Modern air combat isn't about lone jets. It's about networks. F-22s operate within America's vast integrated battle system. AWACS aircraft, satellites, naval fleets, and real-time intelligence feeds. Each jet is more than its own sensors. It taps into the collective awareness of the entire military. China is racing to build similar systems, but it's decades behind. Secure, jam-resistant communications come only with years of operational testing, something the U.S. has in abundance. Electronic countermeasures. The Raptor isn't just stealthy, it's smart. Its electronic warfare suite can jam radars, spoof missiles, and disrupt communications. China has countermeasures too, but American systems are designed specifically to defeat them. In this arms race, the U.S. has been sprinting for decades while China is still finding its footing. Next generation, staying ahead. The F-22 is not the end of the story. Lessons learned from it are fueling America's 6th-generation fighters and the B-21 Raider bomber. Directed energy weapons, AI integration, and advanced manufacturing are already being folded into the next wave. While China struggles to perfect today's tech, America is already building tomorrow's. Pilot training. The human edge technology alone doesn't win wars. Pilots do. F-22 aviators aren't just well-trained. They're elite among elites. They train against threats that don't even exist yet, preparing for tomorrow's enemies today. Their integration with the aircraft borders on seamless, machine and human acting as one. Chinese pilots are improving, but they lack the decades of institutional experience America has built since the dawn of stealth warfare. Logistics and support. Keeping stealth fighters combat-ready is brutally complex. Coatings need maintenance. Electronics need constant calibration, and systems demand specialized care. The U.S. military has optimized logistics over decades, creating a support ecosystem that keeps Raptors flying. China is still building that infrastructure. Without it, even the best aircraft become hangar decorations. Intelligence advantage. Perhaps America's quietest edge is intelligence. U.S. agencies track every Chinese test, every deployment, every training cycle. American pilots train against simulations fine-tuned to real J20 performance, while Chinese planners lack equivalent insight into U.S. systems. This knowledge gap shapes tactics, giving America a decisive advantage before the first shot is fired. Strategic implications. Air superiority is more than dogfights. It enables everything: ground operations, naval dominance, strategic bombing. China knows it cannot yet win that battle directly, so it invests in anti-access strategies. Hypersonic missiles, cyber attacks, anti-satellite weapons. But those are defensive gambits. America, meanwhile, continues to push forward, innovating faster than adversaries can catch up, defining air superiority. The F-22 Raptor isn't just a fighter jet. It's a symbol of American innovation, engineering, and dominance. Against China's J20, it remains vastly superior in stealth, reliability, integration, and pilot skill. Story of F-22 versus J20 is about more than numbers. It's about decades of knowledge, the men and women who built and maintained these machines, and the pilots who trained to use them with unmatched precision. For adversaries, the Raptor is a warning. Challenging American air power comes at impossible odds. For allies, it's reassurance. U.S. skies remain secure. The Raptor doesn't just dominate the competition, it defines what air superiority means in the 21st century. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into America's technological edge in the skies. If this analysis opened your eyes to the incredible capabilities of the F-22, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.